Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to take you on a journey, a story set in a world not too far from our own, yet worlds away. A world of neon haze, chrome reflections, and endless rain washing over towering megastructures. This is the story of Kellen, a memory weaver in the year 2088. In Neo-Kyoto, memories aren't just recollections, they're currency. They can be bought, sold, extracted, and implanted. Kellen was the best in the business, from his dimly lit workshop in the Undercity. He could pluck a cherished childhood moment from one mind and graft it into another. Offering fleeting happiness to those who could afford it, he saw it as art. A delicate surgery of the soul. He worked for the elites, the corporate titans who wanted to forget their betrayals or experience a love they never had. For Kellen, it was just a job, a way to stay invisible in a city that saw everything. One night, a woman named Alara entered his shop. She wasn't like his usual clients. There was no chrome glinting from her skin, no air of corporate superiority. She was drenched from the acid rain, her eyes holding a desperate, genuine fear. She didn't want to buy a memory, she wanted to sell one. But not just any memory. She wanted him to erase her knowledge of a specific data file she had accidentally uncovered. A file belonging to Omnicorp, the monolithic corporation that owned practically everything in Neo-Kyoto, including the very air they breathed. Kellen usually refused such high-risk jobs. Erasing a memory linked to a megacorp was like painting a target on your back, but something in Alara's plea resonated with him. He saw a flicker of the world before it was all data and transactions. He agreed, as his neural interface linked with her mind, he navigated the labyrinth of her consciousness. He found the memory, a string of code, a blueprint for a project codenamed Serenity. It wasn't a weapon or a corporate espionage tool, it was far more unsettling. Project Serenity was a program designed to slowly, subtly rewrite the collective memory of the entire city. Omnicorp was planning to erase inconvenient historical facts, moments of rebellion, and anything that didn't align with their perfect, consumer-driven narrative. They weren't just selling memories. They were planning to steal the truth from everyone, replacing it with a curated, corporate-approved version of reality. Kellen felt a chill run down his spine. His art, his craft of weaving memories, was being twisted into a tool of mass control. He had a choice. He could complete the job, erase Alara's memory, take his payment, and disappear back into the shadows. It was the safe option, the logical one. But as he looked at the raw data of Project Serenity, he saw the faces of the people in the Undercity, the street vendors, the kids playing in puddles of neon-tinged water, their histories, their struggles. Their identities were about to be wiped clean. He couldn't let that happen, breaking protocol. Kellen didn't erase the memory, he copied it. He severed the connection with Alara, handed her a blank data slate, and told her the job was done. Forget you ever came here, he urged, pushing her back out into the rainy night. Now, Kellen was no longer just a memory weaver. He was a man holding a truth that could bring down the most powerful corporation in the world. He was no longer invisible. He was a target. His quiet workshop was about to become the epicenter of a storm, and in the neon-drenched streets of Neo-Kyoto, a rebellion was about to be born, sparked by a single, stolen memory. What do you think Kellen should do next? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing your ideas. If you enjoyed this story, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tales from futures that might be. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.